In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Getresponse email. We're going to walk through one of the very first things you should do inside your Getresponse account, and that's configuring your sender profile. This is important because it's the name and email address your subscribers will see in their inbox when they receive your campaigns. Setting this up correctly helps with trust, brand recognition, and even email deliverability. Once you're logged into your Getresponse account, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or your initials. Click on that icon to open the drop-down menu. From the options that appear, look for and select Emails and Domains. This is where Getresponse lets you manage all the email addresses and domains you want to send from. On the Emails and Domains page, you'll see an option to add a new address. Go ahead and click Add Email. A small window or form will pop up asking for two main pieces of information, your business name and your sender email address. In the business name field, type in the name you want people to recognize when they see your emails. For example, this could be your company name or your personal brand name, depending on how you want to present yourself. Try to keep it consistent with what people see on your website or social media so they instantly know it's you. Next, enter your sender email address. Ideally, this should be a professional, business-related email, such as one connected to your website's domain, rather than a personal or generic address. Using a branded email can help build credibility and may improve how inbox providers treat your messages. Once both fields look good, click the Add button to save this sender email to your account. At this point, Getresponse needs to verify that you actually own the email address you just entered. To do that, it automatically sends a confirmation message to that inbox. Now head over to the inbox of the email address you just added. Look for the confirmation email from Getresponse. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder, just in case it landed there. Open the message and click the confirmation link inside. This step is crucial because it tells Getresponse that you control that address. After you click the link, the status of your sender email inside Getresponse will change to confirmed. Once it's confirmed, you'll be able to use this address as the from email for your newsletters, autoresponders, and any other campaigns you create.